Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can customize a watermark on your photos in Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. So in the first step, let's open the camera app, then click on the settings icon and just open the watermark. Now as you can see, there we have a few options to edit. We can change the model name, also add date and time. And if you want to enter your custom text, just click on the pen and now you can do it. Next to, or just remove the model and enter your text. Here, now click on the save, now we have a custom. We can also change the font and the position of the watermark. Then go back, take the photo, and the customized watermark should appear in the right bottom corner, in my case of course. This is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.